kami dahil ang dami natin ngayong gabi! Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for being here. Pwede mo palakpakan naman yung mga sarili. Anywhere else that you chose to be here. Alright. Kapag sinabi mo good, sabihin yung vibes. Good! 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 Alright. Itong next song na ito. Good vibes lang. Kung alam niyo itong next song na ito, sing as loud as you can. Taas ka mo! Papatalo mo yung mga nandito. Taas ka mo! Yung mga nandiyan sa likod, kitang-kita namin yung dyan. Taas ka mo! Alright. Itong susunod na kanta para sa mga LDR. Sino yung mga LDR? Sino yung may imaginary LDR? Alright. So mga LDR dyan, get a chance to win 200 tickets to Singapore and 3 passes to every Singapore concert! Pagdating na, itong next song ito para sa mga LDR, para sa mga gusto nang magsama pero na hindi pa pwede. This next song is called Autumn. Dito ko rin sa story yung narito. Pero, gusto ko i-kwento that tonight is very, very special for us because this is actually the very place where we performed this next song for the first time ever. And it was literally a month before the pandemic started. So, if you know this, please celebrate with us by singing as loud as you can. Okay, okay! Okay po ba kayo dyan? Alright. Kung okay pa talaga kayo, ang request namin for this last song! Pwede ba tayong tumalong ng sabay-sabay? Alright. Walang pa naman natin ang TikTok! Yung sinabi namin sobrang inspire yung message nila ng good vibes, good company because music as well as TikTok essentially enjoy with good company and good vibes. Tsaka yung sinabi ko kanina, hindi joke yun ha, meron talagang chance to win 200 tickets to Singapore! Feeling passes the F1 Singapore concert. Later, I'll tell you details on how to join. Alright! Are you ready for one last song? Okay. Now, as we always do. Konting survey lang. Sinasing nyo na first time na pala yung set namin ever. Sinasing nyo na pala ang daming dati. Kung bago ka man dito, kung matagal ka na nanonood sa amin, hindi nagbabago ang mensahe ng kantang ito para sa inyo. Ang sinasabi ng asang na ito, ay pipiliin namin kayo araw-araw. Song. Pwede mo natin kailangan ng gabi at sino ang phone next year. Hanggang sa likod. Wala dito sa harap, hanggang sa pinakalikod. Kasama tayo lahat dito. Okay, goes to you. Hey, we love you too, we love you too, and we'll see you soon. Alright. One last time, pwede niyo bang palakpakan ng inyong mga sarili for being here? Wala pa natin ang TikTok! Wala pa natin ang bawat isang bahagi ng organizing team, production crew, wala pa natin sila guys. Thank you so much. Gusto mo namin pasalamatan yung team namin sa Bang Bang.